Bitcoin is retesting this symmetrical triangle and this bull flag breakout. So because of this, are we about to make an even greater profit with right now 5.2k in a profit? Well, for almost 2 weeks, Bitcoin has been consolidating in towards this range, and we are starting to form some massive warning signals on the 12-hourly time frame for Bitcoin, but also on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. So what is the next Bitcoin move going to be? Are we about to retest this breakout, or are we just faking out? That is a real question right here in the imminent short term for Bitcoin. So yesterday night, again, Bitcoin was falling down below this support level, and yes, indeed, right here you can also very beautifully see it. We fell down below this support level. Right after it, we retested it even as resistance right now. And in my opinion, this structure looks very bearish in my opinion in the very short term. Now, yes, indeed, we are creating these bullish patterns with these bullish breakouts towards the upside with some perfect retests right now. But in my opinion, this looks like a typical fake out right here. We pumped with about 2% towards the upside, and right after that, we did not have enough momentum to continue this pump, and we right after that once again dumped all the way down with about minus 2.5% dump. That is not the ideal setup that you want to be having a look in towards. We got once again rejected by this range that we also talked about yesterday, and in my opinion, this structure right here is not looking all too good. At the same time, we can be seeing that whales are right now selling off their Bitcoin right here. We are creating a major warning signal right now on the 12-hourly time frame as well as on the weekly time frame. And yes, we can be invalidating these signals very quickly, very easily, but in my opinion, in order to do that, I need to be breaking back above this range high. And if we can be breaking above this range high, that will be the moment where I will be saying, all right, yes, we can be moving even higher. So it really looks like this is a typical fake out right here, and that we are in for some more consolidation in towards this range right here. Now, whenever we are going to be breaking above this range high, that would change everything, because in that case, we are going to be breaking above this high right here, and that would mean we are going to be having a similar pump just like happened these previous 2 times right here. And at the same time, it will also mean that we are close to be breaking above our 32k resistance. So in that scenario, of course, we are going to be seeing another huge pump towards the upside. But as of for right now, that is not happening. So more consolidation in towards this range would be more likely. And as of for right now, we are probably not going to be seeing this huge pump coming in towards the Bitcoin charts just yet. But eventually, I do think we will be breaking back above this range high right here. Of course, we can be seeing some more consolidation because after a approximately 25-27% pump towards the upside, well, some consolidation is of course to be expected. But eventually, in the end of the day, after this consolidation is done, well, I do think we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside still in the end of the day, because the larger picture is still looking pretty good. And in my opinion, I will remain bullish until we are going to be hitting this greedy zone for our fear and greed index. Because previously during the other bear market recovery phase of the previous cycle, well, this has indicated the top of this bear market recovery. Whenever we dipped in towards the greedy zone, this blue zone, well, that was a point where we started to top out. And we are not close towards this level just yet. So for me, I will remain bullish right now in these current conditions. So that is also the reason why I'm keeping my position on Breakout open, because, well, in the short term, we might be consolidating a little bit more, but in the end of the day, I do think we will be creating another leg towards the upside. So guys, make sure to stay up to date on my Twitter profile, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.